Hey, I'm Cypress, and this is my mom. And we have come to Logan, Ohio for the first ever Bigfoot Festival. Ready to get your Squatch on? Let's go.
All right.
Logan, Ohio is a small Appalachian town about 45 minutes southeast of Columbus. Logan has long embraced the fact that it's deep into Sasquatch territory. Visitors to the local Walmart are greeted year-round by Sammy, a permanent fixture in the store. But in August of 2022, the town blocked off 2 city blocks for 2 days for Bigfoot vendors, food trucks, and some spirited competitions. This is the first annual Bigfoot Festival, and Mom and I just had to check it out. Get in here. You gotta be in this too.
It's creepy.
Yeah. This is Eddie.
Did you just say that was your chance for a new boyfriend?
I did.
Not everyone attending was enthusiastic, but the overall spirit was one of celebration and fun. You're like so uncomfortable.
Yeah? Okay, now we're gonna go get a Sasquatch cookie.
Okay, let's do that.
All right.
That was very organic and not canned at all or planned.
Hello. Good, how are you? We saw that there were cookies. We have Bigfoot cookies, yes. There's a huge choice here.
Do you want to get one of each and we share them?
Okay. That's a good idea.
It's hot out, things are melty and smushy, and here we go. See how it is.
Here comes one of his hands.
Tasty? Mm-hmm. All right, I'll take one of his hands too, so it's even. Or no, I'll take a foot. That's pleasant. It's light, not dry. Kind of lemon, little hint of lemon.
Yep.
Pretty good. Not what I picture when I think of biting into a Sasquatch, but that's probably a good thing. Should we try the turtle? I see that grin. Well, wow, that's pretty good. Very sweet, and it's almost got a fudgy sort of a tasty. Not recommended for breakfast. I think I'm getting a little queasy. Very sugary.
We'll take care of you at lunchtime.
For the more dedicated Squatch hunters, organizers brought in speakers well known in the industry. What were some of the highlights for you, or bullet points for people?
I really enjoyed the vendors.
It was all vendors. We weren't there for any other activities. It was all vendors.
Yes, but
They had good vendors.
yes.
A variety of different qualities and price points.
And we got here early, and so they were all perky. And
They were perky and ready to chat. They weren't tired yet.
yes.
Too hot. Hot tip. At a late summer event like this, arrive early to avoid the heat and the crowds. As the day passed, the crowd thickened, and I'm sure parking got stressful since, dang it, everyone had to find a spot along the residential streets. Fortunately, the town was prepared for the masses and brought in plenty of portables.
And the vendors
were so friendly, the ones who had the cutout. No, the other one.
Eddie.
Eddie.
They were hoping people would come take selfies. That
Yes.
was what Eddie was there for, selfies. And he's great for selfies. Although I really wonder, I'm not going to judge if Eddie's a he, but I didn't ask Eddie their pronouns.
And one of the guys there, he said we were the first ones to take pictures with Eddie.
Yeah, we were there that early. We were the first.
And then the sweet little farm that had the cutout of Bigfoot that you could put your head through. We had a nice stool there.
Oh, it was a farm?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was that farm we visited with.
Okay, they were nice. Yeah, lots of people, super nice, super friendly, super chatty. Happy to talk about their artistic processes. We had fun. It's a little slice of Appalachia, and sadly we missed the calling contest. What was the
Sasquatch calling.
Yeah, we missed the calling contest. And this was only the first year. It'll probably get a lot bigger. We had 2 blocks of vendors, and there's food vendors and
T-shirts and books.
all the things you would expect.
There was a publisher there who just publishes Sasquatch books.
And recreational therapy.
recreational therapy.
Spiritual stuff.
There were 2 or 3 in a row vendors that were authors who write about Bigfoot.
Yep.
And the authors were there.
Yep.
There's some
You
of
could
the
have talked to
speakers.
the authors.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Jewelry and knickknacks.
And we missed the Squatch Walk. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, do you also want the bourbon chicken?
I mean, that's what was recommended, right?
Yep.
Look at that. Fresh onion.
Oh, I can smell them.
Which fork is... So that was the first ever annual Bigfoot Festival in Logan, Ohio. It was something.
That it was.
I guess the next step is we just have to go out and find a Bigfoot. I mean, that's the next thing we have to do. Probably not this weekend.
Soon.
Yeah. Hey, Harry.
I did want to mention that just for the fun of it, I camped out at your home last night. And
Yes,
just
you did.
as I was falling asleep, something really big bumped up against my vehicle.
Yes, and
I don't know what it was. I don't know if Sasquatch was saying, hey, we're going to see you tomorrow. I don't know. But kept me awake for a few minutes.
it couldn't have been the deer that have been coming through and eating
No,
my hostas.
sure not. No.
It was probably a Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go with that because it's the Bigfoot Festival.
Right.
So anyway, you guys, thanks so much for coming along with us. It was really fun. I will see you in the next video. And until then, keep your recreation wild. Okay, we're walking down.
You guys want me to take the picture for you?
Oh, it's film.
Oh, I got
Thank you.
Of course.
Okay, so I want you to say that again, but like it's for real.
All right.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's go. Let's go. I was talking to them.
Can I get low enough here to get myself in frame? Okay, we'll just pretend I'm sitting up. Because I'm in the fetal position in the front seat here.
And this is a Sasquatch cookie. No information.
Chocolate caramel and pecans on this one.
This one I assume.
This is a fundraising thing that they're doing.
Yep, you don't have. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, I don't have a pocket knife or anything on me. Oh, okay, well,
Hang on.
you got your tissues? Melty, for serious. I didn't bring any napkins. Shall we do that again?